Hey, this is Steve with Breck DIY. I want to do a quick tutorial on this wash machine we have at our camper. You know, honestly, we love it. We can throw a couple towels in there, a few shirts. I would say I give it a 4 out of 5 stars on it. The only issue I have is that if you put in too many towels, they'll get out of alignment. You'll get an error code on the spin cycle. You have to go through and kind of readjust it. I just throw one Tide Pod in there and it usually does the trick. I put it on high. Make sure you leave the gray tank open. We found out the hard way on that one that I forgot to open it back up and the floor was pretty wet. On the right side there, we got our hot and our cold. The hookups that I'm showing here coming up are not the original ones that came with it. I had to modify it to accommodate what we had, and for our local hardware store, this is what I was able to use. So the gray one is for the drain, red's hot, blue's cold, and honestly, we like this thing. Thanks for checking out my video. Steve with Breck DIY. Please like and subscribe.